easy go.
One day.
Ah, what a nice day outside. I am going to bring the TV into my room. Okay, I guess I'm going to turn on the show Sarah.
Hi everyone. My name is Sarah and today I will.
We interrupt your TV station for breaking news.
Everyone, there is a tornado warning in Goanimate City. Take cover now. Go down the basement. If you don't have a basement, go in a room with no windows. And if you have a strong table in there, go under it. There is a really big tornado coming to Goanimate City and you really need to take cover. Now.
There isn't a tornado in Goanimate City. They were trying to prank us. I am going to put my TV in my bed back.
Caillou and Rosie, come downstairs right now. We need to get to the basement. Right now.
Daddy, I'm scared.
Okay, I will turn on the show Sarah.
Hi guys, my name is Sarah and today I will be playing with
Guys, the tornado warning has begun. Please go to your shelter. If there's a TV in your shelter, turn it on and listen to instructions.